Hello everybody, today I will show you how to fix your login attempt fail in finals. Error code TFLA0003 problem. If you find this presentation helpful, please consider subscribing and liking. Method 1. Close the game from Task Manager and restart. Right click on Taskbar menu, select Task Manager. Now look for the finals and select it. Click on End Task. Now launch the finals game and see if it fixes the issue. Method 2. Check server status. Go to the finals Twitter handle page. I have provided the link in the description. Look for any announcement related to game issues. If you find that its server is down or under maintenance, then you have to wait until it is fixed by the finals team. Method 3. Check your internet connection. Make sure you are connected to working connection and stable internet. Turn off your router, unplug the cable, wait for a few minutes, plug the cable, turn on your router, connect to your Wi-Fi, launch the game and check. Tip: try another Wi-Fi network if that doesn't help. Method 4. Verify integrity of game files. Open Steam, go to Library, right click on Finals, select Properties, go to Installed Files tab, click on Verify integrity of game files. Now launch the game and check. Method 5. Update graphics card. Press Windows key plus X, select Device Manager, click on Display Adapter, right click on your graphic card driver, click on Update Driver. Click on Search automatically for drivers. Method 6. Flush DNS. Type CMD in Windows search bar, right click Run as Administrator. In the open window type ipconfig/flush DNS and hit enter. I have provided it in the description. You can copy from there and paste it. Method 7. Try VPN. Try to connect any VPN and then try to launch the game and check if it resolves the issue. Method 8. Uninstall and reinstall the finals game. When nothing seems to work, then you can also uninstall the finals game and then reinstall it. Launch the game and see if it fixes the problem. That's it. Thanks for watching.